Sup guys, welcome back to my channel. Man, it's been a little bit. I can't even tell you the last time that I filmed, but I'm back and I'm super excited to get started. And today I really wanted to create a super beautiful, heavy, glam, glitter, fall inspired colors because, you know, the seasons are changing and I love fall and I'm sure everybody else does as well. And I mean, why not create fall looks while we're kind of still in the summer? So I was gifted a PR package from Pop Beauty and I'm super excited because I want to use those products to create the look that I have in mind today. We're going to start off with the Light Show palette. But before we go and do that, we need to do something about these brows. Much better. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my P. Louise base, and this is in shade 02. And what I'd like to do is I like to take about a pea-size amount of that product. I'm going to go in with a bigger, flatter brush, and we're going to use that to apply the base on my lid. So I like to go in and I like to do patting motions. And I really like to extend that base all the way out because sometimes, you know, my looks like to go out a little further depending on how creative I get. So when I'm patting down my base, I don't like to pat it down hard because we don't want to leave like markings of the brush in our lid. So it's just really light pat, pat, pat motions. And I did pick this up from a P. Louise course that I did take. So now I'm just going to go in with a really fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to blend out my sides. So I'm just going to really soften everything out, take it right down. So I'm going to start off with this shade here. I'm going to do circular motions in our crease. So I'm going in with a Morphe 507 and we're going to do a rounded finish. So the goal is here to pack in enough depth in your crease, and then because this is a softer blown out look, it is okay to go in and just really soften those harsh lines. So now with a bigger brush, this is the Morphe Jeffree Star JS5. I'm going to dip into this shade here. So we're going to take that shadow and we're going to blend half of it on the previous shadow and the other half on the blank lid space. And because we're using a bigger brush, this is gonna really give us that smoked out, soft, blown out effect. And don't be shy to take that shadow right out because it's just gonna really soften the entire look. So our goal here now is to build up on the two shadows that we used because I want them to be seen, I want them to stand out, and I want them to give enough depth around my crease so that whatever I put on my lid is really going to pop. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that build up. So now I'm gonna go in and highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and just on a fluffier brush, just gonna hit underneath that brow bone. So now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced glitter glue and we're gonna place that on our lid. So when I'm placing this glitter glue, I'm not going in my crease. I wanna stay underneath it. I'm gonna go in with this shade here and I'm gonna take a really small fluffy brush like this. I'm gonna dip into that shade. So I'm just slightly going around and just slowly building up that softness of glitter. Okay, so now I'm gonna pack it on my lid. God, this is freaking gorgeous. So I'm just gonna slightly take this brown shade here and I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my outer corner, just for a little bit of depth. So now you can completely leave this look as is, pop on a lash, finish the rest of your face, or you can go in and add liner. I really love a sharp wing, so I'm gonna go in and do that. So I just went in and finished my other eye, and now I'm gonna pop on my favorite set of lashes. This is the brand called Claritybeautee. Guys, I absolutely love this brand. I love the owner. Her lashes are amazing. If you haven't heard of the brand or her products, please go check her out. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and put on a full face and I will be right back. Okay, the rest of the face is done. Now I'm gonna go in with the same 2 shades and I'm gonna just do my under eye. Okay, so anybody that knows me really well knows that I am obsessed with color. I love creating with vibrant pigmented colors. Although this look is really soft and I'm loving the way it's finishing up, I still need a pop of color. So I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise Basic Brights, and this is in the shade Hint of Mint, and I'm going to put this on my waterline. She cute though, she cute. So now I'm gonna go in with the same shade that we used to highlight our brow bone. I'm gonna highlight our inner corner. I ended up taking this shade here and this shade here, and I just use that to create my highlight. So I'm gonna go in with one of my recent purchases that I made. Oh my god, I love the brand so much. Peaches Makeup, and I'm gonna use their lip gloss. If you guys haven't tried these or heard of them, I promise you it is the best purchase you'll ever make, and she's got really good bundle deals for them, so definitely check that out. I'll put the link in below. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Cherry Brandy. And honestly, I love these lip glosses so much. And now I'm just gonna go in and set my face with the Pop Makeup Magnet Mist. Okay guys, and that's the finished look for today. What do you guys think? For somebody that is not a soft glam person, because like I said, I like vibrant, I like creative, I love color. So doing really softer looks like this is really hard for me. But honestly, I really love how it came out. The palette's a really great palette if you're somebody that likes finishes and looks that are on the softer side. So with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I will have a video up every Friday. So until then, stay safe and take care. Bye guys.